In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily remove silences from your videos using Wondershare Filmora. If you're editing interviews, tutorials, or any kind of content where there might be gaps, this trick will save you tons of time and keep your audience engaged. Removing silences keeps the pacing of your video tight, which helps hold viewers' attention. Dead air or long pauses can cause viewers to lose focus or even skip parts of the video. For instructional or informative videos, cutting silences allows viewers to get the essential information more quickly. This is especially appreciated in educational content where viewers are there to learn and may want to avoid any unnecessary pauses. On platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, viewers expect fast-paced, well-edited content. Removing silences makes your video more suitable for these platforms, where shorter content is often favored and rewarded by the algorithms. Alright, let's dive in. First, go ahead and open up Wondershare Filmora. Then, import the video you'd like to edit by clicking on the Import button right here at the top. Navigate to your file, select it, and click Open to bring it into your media library. Once your video is in the media library, drag it down to the timeline at the bottom. This is where we're going to edit out those silences. With the clip selected in the timeline, head over to the Audio tab in the upper menu. This is where we'll find all the tools we need to clean up the audio, including a feature to detect and remove silences. Now scroll down until you see the Silence Detection option. Click on it. In the Silence Detection menu, you'll see some options to fine-tune the detection. The Volume Threshold option is used to set the audio level below which Filmora will treat the sound as silent and remove it. This threshold is key in distinguishing between low-volume background noise, like a soft hum, and genuine silence. You can adjust the minimum duration threshold to specify the minimum length of silence to remove. For example, if you only want to cut out pauses longer than half a second, set this to 0.5 seconds. The softening buffer option is used to make the cuts around detected silences smoother. It controls the time before and after each silence that Filmora leaves uncut, which helps avoid abrupt transitions and creates a more natural flow in your video. Before we continue, if you find this kind of content helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you've tried Filmora before, or if you have any questions about editing. I'd love to hear from you. You can test combinations by clicking on the Analyze button. Once you're happy with the settings, click Finish and Replace, and Filmora will remove the silences from your timeline. Make sure to review the video to see how it flows after the silences are gone. If you notice any parts that feel too choppy, you can always drag the edges of the clips to adjust the cut points or add transitions between clips to smooth things out. Once you're happy with the edits, it's time to export your video. Click on Export, choose your settings, and hit Export again to save your final product. And there you have it. You now know how to easily remove silences from your videos using Wondershare Filmora, making your content smoother and more engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our playlist for more tips and tutorials on using Filmora. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.